My name is James Bird. You can find me on Facebook as well. I was going to play like one of my other songs, and maybe one more if we have time later. So, this one's called Anchorage. I just met a man on a moonlit night. Spoke a simple word from a towering light. He said that there's a place vast as the sea. He wants to believe that it's there, or it won't be. He said I come from a place where no one has the same color eyes. He said I come from a place where no one ever hides in the sky. He said meet me down in Anchorage, fuckers love and secrets mine. The darkest is the state of mind. If you can find the light, you can give the time. On the bench beside the sea, taught me to believe in myself and in the stars, as far as I can see. Said that you can change the man, but you can help it breathe. Said that wisdom comes with time, and not with age. Said I come from a place where no one has the same color eyes. He said I come from a place where no one ever hides in the sky. He said meet me down in Anchorage, fuckers love and secrets mine. The darkest is the state of mind. If you can find the light, you can give the time. Said that he must go and see his wife. Said he mustn't be afraid of the world outside. Said that I'm the builder's ship who sail out to sea. And out there you will find your path. I come from a place where no one has the same color eyes. He said a woman awake, she's been calling for some time. For some time. She sings, meet me down in Anchorage, where the lovers love and the seekers find.